7 ways to earn money with a laptop with no skills and no product. Now, do you want to earn money online but you really don't have any technical skills and you don't have money to invest in inventory? Well, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you've got a laptop now, or an iPad or a desktop computer, you can actually make money without investing anything in any products, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. But welcome, and don't forget also turn on notifications. There's a bell right next to that subscribe button. You need to click it and turn on all notifications. When you do that, that's going to make you part of the Fisher family, the VIP, the elite group, who gets notified every single time I do a new video. So you don't have to go searching for it and you won't miss out on anything. Don't forget to do that. I also put together an e-commerce course. I want to give it to you. It's a $97 course, but I want you to get it absolutely free because you watched this video. I'm going to show you how to do that, but down below in the description there's a link to that course. You can just click on it, go over, grab that course, and start learning. So let's get going here. First off, have you tried to make money online? There's a lot of rip-offs out there. There really is. There's a lot of crap out there. Have you tried anything? Have you tried anything that worked or didn't work? I want to know about it. Put it in the comments below. Do you have questions about this subject? I also want to know about that. If you've got a question about this, something I can help you with, put that in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you. Okay, let's jump right into this and figure out how to make money. Now, you can do this anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, which means if you want to travel, you can now travel and make money. So let's get going. I'm going to start off by taking you to a site called Upwork. Now, at Upwork, there's all kinds of level of skills. Okay, you don't have to have technical skills necessarily, but I'm going to show you some of the entry-level ways of making money online that you really don't have to have any skills to do, that anybody could just go do it. So let's run on over there right now and check it out. Okay, I'm at Upwork right now, and I'm going to start searching for different types of jobs that we could do. Now, obviously, I told you in the beginning you need a laptop to do this. So the first thing I'm going to tell you to type in here is data entry. And data entry is nothing more than typing in information on your computer. Okay, if you can type in information, you can make a living. Now, it's not going to pay as much as developing a website app, obviously. However, if you just want to make some money from home, some simple money, you don't want to have to put a lot of effort or thought into it, you can do it. This person here does data entry, $14 an hour. This person does it for $13 an hour. This person here is $15 an hour, $16 an hour. So if you notice, most of these are above minimum wage. This one here is $20 an hour. And the more you do, the more ratings you get, the better job you've done, the more you can charge. And I'm scrolling through, and it looks like the rate goes from about $15 to $30 an hour. This person here charges $25 an hour. She's earned $60,000 on here already. So that tells you it can be done. And she tells you right here, I'm a stay-at-home mom looking to help you with your task. I have over 15 years of customer service experience, and I'm very good at multitasking. So all you have to do is put a profile up here in your picture. You don't necessarily even have to put a picture. I think most of these people have, though. And we can put some filters on here. So let's filter this real quick, and we will say $60 an hour and above. Okay, so let's say you wanted to make $60 and above. These people, this is $80 an hour. Okay, she does construction and enterprise project manager, so she's doing a little bit more. Okay, she's not just doing data entry, but you can play around with those filters there and find different levels of stuff you can do. Okay, let's say you don't want to do data entry, but you like to talk on the phone. Okay, you want to get paid to talk on the phone, you can do that. I'm going to type in phone support. Now, what these companies do is they direct their phone lines to you, and you actually answer. Here's a guy at $16 an hour, customer service specialist, $20 an hour, $15 an hour, $10 an hour. Now this here is probably overseas. No, that one's in California actually. Okay, $22.50 an hour, $20 an hour. So $33 an hour. Customer support specialist. Okay, so all they do is answer the phone, talk to the people. You're usually given a script by the company what they want you to say. Next one is, let's say you don't want to type in anything and you don't even want to talk. Watch this. You could do chat support. We'll type in chat support right here. And there you go. These people actually do email and chat support, and it's like a virtual assistant. $16 an hour, $18.50 an hour, $20 an hour right here. And they just do, you know, chat support. That's all they actually do. When those little chat boxes pop open, these are the people that actually type in that information for you. Now the next one you can do, which you know is really cool, is transcription. And what that is people will actually send you a video or an audio file, and you transcribe those words onto paper. So let's check that out where you do that. That is over at rev.com. Okay, we're over at rev.com right now, and you can see that some of the services people will pay $1.25 a minute, $1.25 a minute, $3 to $7 a minute for foreign stuff. Now the higher the level of your transcription and the more accurate you are, the more you can actually charge. So the better you get at it. If I click on services here, you can see how this works. Transcription documents into 35 different languages, 10 cents per word. Let's click on all services here. Rough draft is 25 cents per minute. And rough draft means it's probably not going to even say what the people said on here. But English captions right here is $1.25 a minute. So you know that's a lot of money if you think about it. Now they're going to get a portion of it, obviously, but at $1.25 a minute, you know that's $60 is $1 a minute, and then you get a quarter, so it's what, $75 an hour to actually transcribe stuff for people. That's pretty darn good money. Now maybe you want to do something else where you help people all day long with a whole bunch of different tasks. Number 5 is going to be a VA, a virtual assistant. So maybe you're going to be making appointments for them, maybe you're going to be answering emails for them. This is more of a full-time type thing or part-time, but it's paid by the hour. You can be a virtual assistant. There's plenty of places online. You can type in virtual assistant online on Google, and you're going to find plenty of places where you can list your services to do that. So you can stay home. You can stay home with the kids. You can take care of your home. You can earn a living, and you don't have to go out and spend money on gas and a car and clothes and lunches out and all that. You can actually work from home. All you need is one of these laptops here. That's it. That's all you need. Now the next thing is, if you're really good at catching mistakes, number 6 is editing and proofreading. You can do that on a lot of these sites. I can tell you, let's go over to Upwork real quick, and I'll show you where you can do that. Okay, I'm at Upwork right now, and we're going to put in editing and see what we get. Okay, here we go. Expert editing and proofreading. $65 an hour this person charges. Okay, she's in Moore, Oklahoma, and I'm sure the average wage in Moore, Oklahoma is not $65 an hour. This person here does photography, videography, film editing. $125 an hour in Atlanta, Georgia. $40 an hour here. So these rates are pretty high when you think of what the national minimum wage is. $10 to $15 an hour depending on where you're at. $45 or $60 an hour is pretty darn good money. And number 7, logo design. Start designing logos for people. You're thinking, I don't know how to design a logo, JR. That's really complicated. No, it's not. There's actual sites you go to that you can use, and you can create a logo. So let's go over to Laughing Bird software right now. I'm at Laughing Bird software right now. It's a downloadable program you can get, okay? And there's no subscription to it. You buy it one time, and let's take a look here, and I'm gonna just play this little video they have here. You can see you just move this stuff around. It's all templates. So you get the idea. I'm not going to go through the whole video here, but this is all templated, guys, and all you have to do is put the stuff in there. Now, let's see, is there a need for that? Well, let's go over to Upwork again, and I'm going to put logo creation. We've got logo creation right here at $135 an hour. Logo creative marketing, $49, $74 an hour, $50 an hour. Now, how much does it cost for that software? A little bit of an investment. Let's check it out. Start creating now. Grab the creator bundle. There you go. If you just want to do the graphics one, it's $37. There's 40 free templates. If you want to get the bundle that has the greatest show templates and the ad creator for $97, so you can do ads. And you know, for $37 or $97, you're in business. Okay, it's really that easy. So check it out. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can grab this and, you know, start creating logos. Now, have you tried to make any money online so far? Put your comments below. What worked for you? What didn't work for you? Do you have some questions about how to make money online? Put those comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. I really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget, I've got a $97 e-commerce course that's absolutely free. I put a link in the description below. You can grab that. You don't even need a credit card or anything like that. You just click and you learn. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And what else? Notifications. You got it. You got to turn on notifications. You want to be part of the Fisher family. You want to be part of the VIP folks that get notified every time I do a new video, so you don't miss a single one. You don't want that to happen to you. I really appreciate you watching this video. I really appreciate your comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.